guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia, for those of y'all that don't know. Today I'm going to be making this video because first of all, I haven't been very active on my YouTube channel and I kind of want to be a little bit more active, start making vlog videos. I don't know if that would be something interesting to y'all, but if it is, please give this video a thumbs up and I will see what I can do to get more into like vlogging and stuff. Also, I apologize that I haven't been very active on here. I'm 36 weeks pregnant and at this point it's like choosing recording a video or sleeping, and I value my sleep a lot, so I am not going to choose a video over it. Hopefully after I give birth and have my baby I will be more active, but you know, I'm a first time mom, so I really don't know how that shit works. So we'll see. Fingers crossed. We'll see what happens. I don't make any promises to y'all because what if I can't even like do it? Also, this video is going to be about a lot of highly asked questions on my Instagram. A lot of y'all ask me questions on the daily about how I'm doing or just stuff y'all want to know about me, and since I haven't been very active, obviously there's a lot of stuff that has changed since my last post. But if you do want to know more about like my daily life and stuff and you're like kind of intrigued by that, follow me on Instagram or follow me on Snapchat. That's where I'm most active. I'll leave the Snapchat here, Instagram here, so y'all go follow me on those. Yeah, that's pretty much all I got for this intro. So the first thing I want to like point out, because I know somebody's gonna message me about this. Yes, I know, like my lip looks crazy. There's nothing I can do about it. If you are very like annoyed by that, my lip situation right now, just don't watch. Just don't watch. That's all I can say. Move on to the next video because I'm really not the one to fuck with right now. So just don't even leave a comment. Just go along about your business. So the first question I got asked a lot was, how did I deal with morning sickness? Any sickness, because it's not just morning, it goes throughout the day. I didn't deal with it, I guess I could say. I didn't have morning sickness. I never had morning sickness. I honestly, if it wasn't because I have a stomach now and my hunger is like way over the top, I probably wouldn't even know I was pregnant, because I don't have morning sickness. I didn't have any symptoms like so I could know I was pregnant. Like the only reason I found out I was pregnant was because, well, I guess I did have one. I was super hungry. Like, I'm not the kind of person that eats full meals, like sitting down. No, I just kind of snack here and there. Like, I don't really just sit down and eat a full meal. I would never eat a full meal. Well, I would never eat a full meal. So when I found out I was like 6 weeks, I was 4 weeks, and I was just hungry. Like, I swear I could eat anything. I was hungry 24/7. I could be eating and still thinking of food. I still do that till this day, but like I was just so hungry and nothing would ever fill me up. So I was just like something's going on because I'm never this fucking hungry. I was just like, this is not me. So the first thing that popped into my head was that, and I took a pregnancy test and like obviously it was that. Like it just was what it was. I didn't believe it at first. I was like, no, this is a lie. So like literally like 2 days after, which was my birthday, May 22nd, I went to the clinic and I got like, you know, a test done and whatnot. And yes, it was positive once again. So yes, that is how I found out I was pregnant. So yeah, that practically answers 2 questions without even my intentions of doing that. Sorry. I didn't have any symptoms. 1. I didn't have any morning sickness, and how I found out. The next thing is, how have I coped with like my body changing? For those of y'all that don't know, I have always weighed 110 pounds. Like, since I turned 15, 110 pounds is all I've gained. I am 18 currently, and and I could never gain weight. So now that I'm pregnant, I'm not embarrassed to say it. I'm actually very proud that I've gained weight, because I mean, if I didn't, shit, I'd be probably sick, and my baby would be sick and a lot of shit. I'm not embarrassed to say how much I've gained. I've gained 50 pounds, but it's not like bad pounds. I don't know how to explain it to you. Like, I'll insert a picture here of when I wasn't pregnant and here of when I was pregnant. I've gained weight. I say in all the right places. Like, I feel like it's been in all the right places. It hasn't been like just like that. Like, you know, like it's been in all the right places. So I am coping with that pretty good. I don't really mind. I'm very proud of myself that I actually gained weight. Like, it makes me feel really good. Another question that I got asked with that question was if I got stretch marks. Yes, obviously. I was a skinny little stick. I looked like a freaking stick. So, obviously I was going to get stretch marks, but the only part of my body I prayed and prayed that I didn't get stretch marks was my stomach, because like I like to wear crop tops and stuff like that, so that wasn't an option. Like, I was not gonna get, like, I was doing anything and everything to not get stretch marks on my stomach, and I'm so happy I haven't gotten any. I did get stretch marks in other parts, like obviously like my boobs and butt and like, yeah, but I'm not like embarrassed to say it either, or like even if I show my stretch marks, I don't really care. I call them my proud marks, because like I'm kind of proud of them, because you know I gained some weight. I'm not like a skinny little piece of stick anymore. For anybody that is skinny and it's very hard for them to gain weight, y'all know the struggle of like wanting to wear like clothes from Fashion Nova and stuff, like, you know, trendy clothes, and you're not fitting into it because you're so damn skinny. So like for me, me gaining weight was like something I'm very happy about. I'm happy I'm not a little twig anymore. I'm very happy about that. The next question I got asked was, how did I tell my mom? So like there's two stories, like I have to tell two stories to this, but I'm just gonna like kind of like skim through the first story, which is like I don't live with my mom. Yes, I'm 18. I still go to school. I'm a senior in high school. I graduate this year, but I don't live with my mom. My mom does not pay my bills. My mom is just my mom. But I don't live with her. She is like, you know, we live in two separate towns. I don't get me wrong, me and my mom are super close. I love my mom to death, and I'm pretty sure I hope she does too. But you know, that's a whole nother story. But since I don't live with my mom, when I told her, she was very excited. She wasn't very excited like, oh, my 18-year-old is pregnant. No, but she was excited. You know, she was gonna be a grandma for the second time, because my brother and his wife were expecting a baby girl, and so she was really hoping I would be like have the baby boy, and I am so happy. I actually am pregnant with the baby boy. I don't know what his name will be, but yeah, we'll find out soon, I hope. I don't have any names picked out, so I don't really know what his name is. She was very excited, and I don't feel like she was disappointed at all, just because I don't live the typical life of a regular 18-year-old. I am like practically in the Mexican culture married. I have a man and he pays my bills, and I am like a school/house wife, if that makes any sense. If you're Mexican, this makes total sense to y'all. Otherwise, this is another video y'all would have to request if y'all are interested in knowing about it. That is up to y'all, obviously. Comment down below if y'all do want to know about it. The next question I got asked was, will I be graduating, and will I be continuing my education after high school? Yes, both yeses, or yes to both. Sorry. I do plan on continuing my education, and I also am currently halfway through my senior year, which I'm very excited about. I'm very excited about graduating. I have a very amazing group, small circle of friends, and I absolutely adore them. They've made my senior year actually very amazing. Some of them have. Some of them have made my senior year very great, and they have made me feel just like a regular person. They don't judge me because I'm pregnant. They don't nothing. Like, they treat me just like a regular person. So I am very grateful to them. And honestly, that's like one of my like encouragements to like continue. They encourage me a lot, like, you know, like to graduate, and to do a lot of other stuff as well, but mostly like to get through high school and graduate, because I mean, I'm a girl, there's girls, and you know, drama, I'm pregnant, like that looks wrong, or whatever the hell the case may be. There's always drama, and you know, my little group of friends always helps me out and encourages me to like continue and just not give three fucks about what people gotta say. I do plan on continuing my education. I will be attending a college, not a university, obviously. I mean, 2-year college, I feel like that'll be great, just like for now. As long as I can get through that, I'll be set. Like, I don't really worry about like a university or anything. For now, as long as I can get through a college, I am great. I want to go to college for dental assistant or morticianary science. O sea, like, you work at a morgue and you do the dead people's makeup. I know that's really bad at explaining or whatever, very bad explanation, but yeah, like, that's the best y'all are gonna get right now. Another very, very like highly asked question, I can't even believe I almost forgot about this one. Have I lost friends throughout like me being pregnant? Like, be more specific. I have lost people, but I don't think it was because of, it's not really because I'm pregnant. It's more like I've changed, and I am very aware of that. For a lot of people, like, they think I'm a very like maybe quiet person and whatever, and I just like give ugly stares at people. No, I am a very blunt person. Like, if I don't like something about you, I will tell you. If I don't think something you're doing is correct, I will say it, even if I'm in the wrong. Like, I will speak my mind, and a lot of people don't like that. So I've lost friends because of that, and I wouldn't really consider it like friends, because if they were really your friend, you wouldn't have lost them, right? So if I lose people like that, then obviously they weren't meant to be in my life. And I am very grateful God, Jesus, el que sea, all of them, todos los santos, removed them out of my life and out of my baby's life, because I don't want people like negative, nasty people around my kid. And I will like literally do anything to remove those people. And I am happy that those people are just being removed slowly out of my life, and I don't have to do it. Those are all the questions I really like remember, and they're just questions I remember for the top of my head. Like, and I have pregnancy brain, like really, really bad pregnancy brain. So like, I don't remember every single little fucking question that everybody asked. It's just the ones that people ask the most. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If y'all have any more questions and would like another video over this, please let me know. Give this video a thumbs up if you are interested in me vlogging from now on, and like even like after I give birth and all that. Like, if y'all are interested in that, please give this video a thumbs up, comment, go follow me on my Instagram, and go follow me on my Snapchat. Those are the 2 places I'm the most active. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'm just kind of fucking rambling, just like the whole fucking video practically. I'll see y'all next time. Bye!